Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at the top 5 apps that I think everybody should have on their Mac computer. So let's start this off with number 5. Coming in at number 5 on the list of apps that I think everybody should have on their Mac is Google Chrome. Now, I like Google Chrome a lot more than Safari on the Mac because everything stays in sync across all of my devices because I do use the Google Sync, and you should do that too if you don't, by the way. You can encrypt all of this data so everything is secure. And I really like the tab browsing experience with Chrome, and I just love how fast everything on Chrome is. I actually visited a website called Polygon.com, and I read one of the reviews there while I was using Safari, and it was lagging a bit, and I opened up Chrome and loaded the exact same web page, and Chrome loaded the web page just fine. Nothing was lagging. When I was scrolling, nothing was lagging. And Chrome is just a great browser. Everything renders fast, it loads fast, and the browser is quick, and it does what you need to do. And I think Chrome has gained so much market share that it has overtaken Internet Explorer. And of course, Safari is probably at the bottom of the list. It's actually taken over Firefox as well. And there's a reason for that. Chrome is extremely fast, extremely great at what it does, and it's a very good web browser. If you guys haven't checked out Chrome yet, or you don't use Chrome on your Mac, I recommend doing it. It's a really good alternative to Safari. It's better than Firefox and Internet Explorer by a long shot. But that is number 5 on the list of apps that everybody should have on their Mac. Coming in at number 4 is an application called PopClip. You can get this from the Mac App Store for $5. And what this does is basically whenever you select text on your Mac like that, you get this little pop-up that shows a bunch of different options. Now, all of these ones over here are actually extensions that you can download from their website, and there's lots more than the ones I have here, and it's really cool. I mean, if you want to search for, well, first of all, you can search Google using this right here. It's really easy. You can do cut, copy, and paste. It's easier to do that than doing the keyboard shortcuts. And these are the extensions I got. So I have a Google Maps plugin, Amazon. This is Wolfram Alpha, and Wikipedia, and IMDb. So let's say I'm here and I want to just do a quick Google search of PopClip. I select it and I do that. Boom. Now we're doing a Google search. That was extremely easy. Let's say we want to do uploaded a new video. What is this? Let's search that on Amazon. Actually, we hit Google Maps. So apparently there's places called upload a video, and it looks like Germany here, but that's pretty cool. And that's basically PopClip, guys. So I mean, you can use this thing throughout the entire Macintosh operating system. You don't have to be in a browser. You can be in Notes. You can be in Microsoft Word. This works pretty much anywhere on your Mac. So that's number 4 on my list. Number 3 on my list of top 5 Mac apps is, well, it has to be the Microsoft Office suite. This is the 2011 version, and if you're a student or you're a business person or you've ever used a computer in your life, chances are you have used either Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. Now, I mean, I don't really have to go into detail on these because everybody's used them, but if you haven't used them, you definitely need it. Apple offers a iWork alternative to this. It's very similar, but chances are you use the Microsoft Office suite. Now, this is just a short section because probably everybody uses this, but this comes in at number 3 on my list. Coming in at number 2 on my list is Dropbox. If you don't own Dropbox on any of your computers, even if you're watching this on a PC, then you really need to get up to date. I think Dropbox is better than iCloud because you can store this as a folder on your computer, and it syncs through all of your devices seamlessly. It's really, really easy to put stuff into Dropbox and keep it in sync across all of your devices. Much easier than iCloud, in my opinion, because you have to use like Pages and Preview and Notes and Reminders for iCloud, where Dropbox is a folder that you actually use. So it's actually in sync with all of your stuff on your computer. But anyways, this is what Dropbox looks like. You saw that menu when I first clicked it here. This is new. This is actually updated pretty recently. And you can go directly to your folder. You can see you recently changed here. I was doing some homework for my HTML class, and we have it right here. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I got some YouTube thumbnails here that I do, like my profile picture right there. And here's a Mophie Juice Pack Air thing. And let's say I changed it. So let's just change the size here real quick. giving you an example of how it updates. Change the size, select OK. And now watch right here in this folder over here. When I save it, it saves. And okay, I guess it saved really quickly, but when I save something, this will change to like a little cloud and it saves. That means it's saving across all your devices. Then you close it and you're good to go. That's saved across every single device you have Dropbox installed on. So that's number 2 on my list, Dropbox. Let's go ahead and move on to number 1. The number 1 application that you need to get on your Mac computer is called Alfred. This is an amazing application. It's extremely easy to use. Basically what it is it's a app launcher or a web searcher for your computer. And basically what you do to launch it is you select a key on your computer. So I use command, I hit command twice and it pops up. So this is Alfred. You can do pretty much anything you want with this. Say I want to open Chrome. I just type in Chrome and I hit enter. Chrome launches that easily. Then I can do, let's say, Twitter. There we go, Twitter's open. It's really fast, really fluid. Or you can say, let's say, search Google for cats. And there we go. And we can also do some cool stuff. Define data. And it opens up like that. And you can do a lot of cool stuff with this. We can go into preferences here, Alfred preferences, and you can change pretty much anything you want on this. It's really customizable. You can change the folders and stuff it searches through. And one cool thing with Alfred is that if you double tap it, it starts learning what you actually open up more. So as you see, I typed in C because we did Chrome before. It knows that I did Chrome a few times, so it automatically puts Chrome up at the top. Now you can also see your usage here, which is really cool. You can see how many times you used Alfred, and you know, this is just a great application. You can do pretty much anything you want with it. You can use any keyboard. You can easily launch applications. It's what I use really all the time to launch my apps instead of, you know, going into the applications folder like this, really redundant. Okay, find the app. Where is it? All right, and then you find it. Instead of doing that, you can just do this, type it in, boom, and you launch. So that is my number 1 application that you should get. It is free on the Mac App Store, and you can't beat that price of free. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm curious as to what your top 5 apps are that you use every day on your Mac. I'll see you guys in the next video.